Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 04HW1, solving equations distributive property twice. Now I want you guys to become experts at the distributive property and make sure you feel very comfortable with this material. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a couple problems together and you're going to complete the rest of them for homework. And make sure you submit all the answers on the Google form. So problem number 1, we have -4, parentheses, 1 plus 4n, close parentheses, plus 8 times n plus 8 equals 36. This is given to us. So we write given. Our first step, we're going to want to distribute. So this -4 is going to be distributed both to the positive 1 and the positive 4n. These are two different terms, so that -4 got to be multiplied to both of them. So -4 times 1 gets us -4. -4 times positive 4 is -16. And since that's a 4n, you have to bring down the n with it. So it'll be -4 minus 16n after that part of the distributive property. We also have to distribute this positive 8 both to the n and the 8. So it'll be 8 times n and 8 times 8. So 8 times n is positive 8n. And then 8 times 8 is positive 64. Then we carry down the equals 36. And this was the distributive property. Then we combine like terms. Well, this -4, that term can match up with the positive 64. Positive 64 and -4 comes out to positive 60. Now we could also combine -16n with positive 8n, because they're also both have like terms to the n power to the power of 1, and they're both on the same side of this equal sign. So it'd be -16n plus 8n is -8n. Carry down the equals 36. So what we did combine like terms. Now we have -8n and positive 60. And on the other side of the equal sign is a positive 36. Our goal, we're going to move that 60 to the other side. So we use our inverse operation, subtract 60 to both sides of the equation. Positive 60 and -60 cancel out. We carry down our -8n equals, now 36 minus 60 gets us -24. This is -8 times n. So we divide by -8. And we get n equals positive 3. That's our final answer. We go over the steps. First step was given. Next step was distributive property. Then we combined like terms. Then we subtracted 60 from both sides of the equation. Then we simplified. Or really a combined like terms. We just add two numbers up together to get the -24. So that's also really a combined like terms. Then we divided by -8 to both sides of the equation. And then we have the solution of n equals 3 for problem number 1. Next up, we'll do problem number 2. Next up here is problem number 2, which we have 26 is equal to negative times 4 minus 5b, close parentheses, minus 6 times the parentheses of 4b minus 5. This is our given equation. So we're going to write given. First thing we're going to do is distribute. Now this negative is really just a -1 times. So -1 times 4 gets us -4. Then -1 also has to be multiplied to the -5b. So -1 times -5b gets us positive 5b. Then we look over here. We carry down to 26. Our -6 times -4b gets us -24b, because 6 times 4 gets us 24. We have a negative sign, we have a b. We also have to do -6 times -5, which gets us 30. And now is the distributive property. Start off big and we make it smaller and smaller. Next step here, we're going to combine our like terms, meaning terms that are similar to each other, that are on the same side of that equal sign, meaning that they're on the right hand side of this equal sign in this particular problem. So we're going to focus everything on the right. Let's first look at that negative 4. Negative 4 has a like term of positive 30. They're both constants. So you have negative 4 plus 30 gets us positive 26, aka because 30 minus 4 gets us 26. Now positive 5b has a like term of negative 24b. So 5 minus 24 gets us a minus 19b. And that was combined like terms. Carry down the equal sign, carry down the 26. Next up, we subtract 26 from both sides. 26 minus 26 gets us 0. So you have negative 19 times b equals 0. Divide by negative 19 to both sides. 0 divided by negative 19 is 0. Negative 19 divided by negative 19 gets us 1. So we have 1b, and we don't really have to even write that 1. It's just b equals 0. And that's our answer. So we did our combined like terms. If we go through the steps again, we have the top is given. To get from this line to this line, we did distributive property. From this line to this line, we did the combined like terms. Then we subtracted 26 from both sides of the equation. We simplified, or combined like terms again, really, because we're just adding and subtracting numbers here. Then we divided by negative 19 to both sides of the equation, and then we have ourselves a nice solution of b equals 0. And that's problem number 2. Next up, we'll do problem number 5.